King of Saiyans is back. How convenient. How fortunate. I never would have thought I'd get to see this transformation again. And according to Dragon Ball Xenoverse, we're gonna draw what it originally looked like. But to be honest, I kind of prefer the one that Unreal Gaming created better. From what I've been told, the Omni King of Saiyans in Dragon Ball Xenoverse 2 was claimed to be the most impossible Xenoverse mod to take down in battle. Even though it's just a repaint of Gogeta. Basically, this guy is like a Super Saiyan God Super Saiyan 4 evolution for Gogeta. To be honest, it's not really what I was expecting from a Xenoverse 2 fusion mod. Here is his chest.
Xenoverse 2 has finally arrived as the Omni King of Saiyans makes his debut in Dragon Ball Xenoverse 2. What's going on, Dragon Ball fans? Welcome back to another episode of Dragon Ball Xenoverse 2 mods.
Yeah, I'm watching this.
The Omni King of Saiyans. Now, a lot of you guys have requested for this mod. This mod is supposed to be the strongest mod in all of Dragon Ball Xenoverse 2. And right now, I want to see exactly how strong this dude is.
Yeah, I was watching this. Yeah, I was watching that. And to be honest, I hope they update the Omni King of Saiyans mod. And by they, I mean Unreal Gaming. Why not have the Omni King of Saiyans wearing a Omni King suit with white hair and a diamond on his forehead, kind of like the original Omni King of Saiyans would. Sure, you've taken on every Saiyan in the past, but to be fair, at least you gotta wear something professional, like an Omni King suit. Good thing I'm using this special paper in order to do it.
That is correct. We have developed this technology using off-the-shelf products for the better part of 18 years now. We met Scott by sheer chance at Cedar Key while we were setting up equipment on the outside of
Shoot! My bad.
And he said he owns the Tiki Bar. I said, I've got an idea. Wanted to do this for
Tiki Bar. Funny. I get it. Huh.
We put a camera, one of these remote cameras, inside, and that was exactly what
To be honest, when I thought the Omni King of Saiyans would be a thing, I would never expect it to look like this. I rather the one that I saw in the Unreal Gaming manga. As soon as I'm done with this episode, I'm gonna take this thumbnail and rip it up. Well, I'm gonna color it in, then rip it up. Well, due respect, that wouldn't be really Omni of me, huh? Probably best to leave it the way it is. Even though this is just a repaint of Gogeta. Seriously. Why did I even bother drawing this? if I knew this was gonna be a repaint of Gogeta.
So I want to go ahead and put this straight
I
down.
don't know how
We're gonna
impossible
test
this
it.
boss
We're gonna
would
go
be,
Omni King of Saiyans
but
versus Omni Vegito. So let's see if Vegito can
but
defeat
I
the
wish they
Omni
just
King
repaint
of
it to look
Saiyan.
like an
Again, guys,
actual
we're gonna have a like
Omni
goal for this
King.
video. If we can reach
That'd be
500
something.
likes on this video,
Anyway,
yourself will become
that's
the
all for now.
Omni King of Super Saiyan.